How to capture stunning Milky Way photos with smartphone. The Milky Way is one of the most stunning phenomena that happens in the sky, and through a lens, it looks just heavenly, stretching over hundreds of light years across gas and dust with its patchwork of stars. It becomes a photographer's dream. Capturing the grandeur of the Milky Way does call for a bit of planning and some technique, but you don't require the most expensive equipment. Your smartphone can do the trick. GadInsider has put together this step-by-step guide by which you'll be able to capture stunning images of the Milky Way using your phone in just simple steps. Here's how to capture the Milky Way by your phone. First, check the weather forecast for clear skies. Download a sky mapping app, for example SkyMap, Starwalk, that locates the Milky Way. Ensure your phone has a good camera and sufficient storage. Switch to manual or pro mode in camera settings. Set the camera ISO to 800 to 1600 and shutter speed to 20 to 30 seconds. Set the camera aperture to the widest available, lowest f-stop number, and focus on manual or infinity. Enable raw image capture if supported. Here are some tips. Find a comfortable shooting position. Use a tripod or stabilizer to minimize camera shake. Open your camera app and frame the shot. Focus on a bright star or the moon. Take multiple shots, adjusting exposure compensation as needed. Here's how to post-process. Transfer images to a computer or editing app. Adjust brightness, contrast, and noise reduction. Crop or straighten the image. Save as JPEG or share.